All right, how's it going, everyone? I recently bought this $700 editing keyboard, and I feel like I need to really master Davinci Resolve and video editing, or else it was kind of just a waste of money, and I need to convince myself, more importantly, my wife, that it was a good investment. So, what I'll be doing over the next 30 days is I really want to double down on video editing. I've got a lot of stuff that I've done over the past almost 2 months that I think I can turn into some awesome content, but I need to actually develop the skills to do that. So that's what I'll be doing. I'll go ahead and open up DaVinci Resolve, get that started. I'll shrinkify myself. I'm actually going to have to switch the window. So first we'll start by just, while that's loading, okay. Um, close out of that. So here we go. We're all set up with Resolve. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to import this. And we'll just call it MBA Capstone Advice. Oh, wait, that's the wrong one. Sorry. Already learning. Um, go back to MBA in a month. So I got the timeline right here. Can I just drag this in? Okay. So we got to select the folder where all the content is. So if we go to MBA in a month and we go to Capstone Talking Process. Gonna sync everything up. So here's what I've been working on over the past few days. And I wish I could start with just a fresh video, but I think it's actually easier to start with something that's been started, um, just so you can kind of see, well, not maybe the whole process, more of the important stuff. So this, one thing I don't have. Oh no, it didn't take my bins. And we're seeking $2.5 million in funding for, and finally, stewardship, each bike, which generously improves our margin along with the money that we're receiving because of. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, just kind of look through all the footage. A really long clip. That needs to be sped up even more. So this is when I started the course. Let me just set a marker here. Oh, that was not what I wanted. Go ahead and make that a little orange. Just is this accounting? Let's see. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through, study the questions that I got wrong, and then also some of the topics that it suggests that I review. And then I'm just going to schedule the exam for tomorrow, build a cheat sheet, and hit it right before I take the exam. I passed the exam, and it looks like, okay, so that's all the first. I'm going to say this is the first tech class. What class is this for? Hold on. Finance. It's funny, a lot of this I recorded without audio, which is so sad. Just forgot to hit the unmute button. So let's go ahead and just keep going through. And really all I'm doing right now is just labeling content. Can I hit F11 on this? Oh shoot, what does that do? So I did not pass my assessment. So the worst part about all this is I didn't pass any of the sections. So it looks like, for at least for this course, I'm going to be studying everything. So just say this is accounting. And accounting and finance we're going to lump together. Hopefully that gives me a container that I can compress. Me luck. So I did not pass my assessment. Wait, I can just schedule real final. That'd be stupid though. I have no idea what this is. Oh, no. That shouldn't be there. Let's throw that just over here. We'll double check that this is first tech class. Yep. Okay. Let's keep scrolling. By the way, this wheel is insane. It takes like a few seconds to get used to.
But I mean, I have to make it once now. So,
you know what I think I actually want to do? Slide this over. I think to here. Okay, cool. Let's go here. Let's see what this is. This is data-driven decision making. And that's the capstone. So, oh man, actually, I don't know if I can move forward much more without a script. I think what I want to do is kind of start building the script out based on a little bit of what we have here. And I have a write-up that I'd kind of like to use as a reference. So let's go into this. I think that's the video script. So here's kind of an idea that I had for this is a long video. And but I'll kind of read through it and show you. So intro, MBA, some people are crazy, can do it really fast. So I'm gonna try to do it in what's unreasonable for most people, but way more reasonable than 12 days. Now these rules I actually want to scatter through the thing. So let's start and I'll kind of talk about my process and okay. So 1, 2 is so I want to just introduce the concept. So that's the one benefit of having this keyboard is I can just type up a script and then it's just move my hands and I'm back to editing. Hit the Y. Personal baby leave 2 years would suck. And then also intro. I'm gonna do first 3 classes. First 3 classes, technical classes. I'm actually going to do first 4 classes. In that, we're going to do I think I actually wrote this out somewhere. Am I crazy? Wait, I have video script and video script. Am I crazy? Are these different? What the heck? What's this one? Same thing. Okay, so then yeah, I guess we will write out a little bit of this. Um, first 4 classes, boss was Let me check one thing. I think it's actually in my notes. Okay. So I already have this write up. Um, Let me see one more thing. Course resources. Apply for scholarships, first 4 classes. Technical classes. Let's see. Yeah, I mentioned the course resources so many times. Okay. Um, 'Kay. Rolling it early. So I will probably film this sometime today and then just be working on it throughout the week. Technical classes. Nine-day family visit. Accounting and finance. Let's see, is that right? family emergency, 10 days, accounting and finance. So for these, first 4 classes. Tip number 1 is going to be take the pretest first. And then do this. Okay. Right to the rubric. In the rubric. Met with her, very encouraging. Technical classes. Second technical course. Okay, so for everyone that just joined, basically what I'm doing is just writing a video script and kind of piecing together the ideas. I'll show you where we're at with the timeline. So we have a ton of clips, about 8 minutes maybe of clips. And so what we're gonna do is just take these. I'm gonna video record a script later today probably, and then tomorrow we'll get into actually like hearing the script with the um, content with everything together. So I'm really excited to do that. This is going to be more of the boring grunt work that goes into it, right? Um, so, but I can kind of, if you're interested, let me know in the chat. I can kind of explain some of my thoughts on each section and what I'm setting up or what I'm trying to do. All right, I'll be back in a second. I gotta go take care of my kid. Of course. While I'm gone, like 3 people join. Perfect. Um, so so let's just keep moving on this. Um, family emergency 10 days. What happened in between that? Okay. So for those of you um, that are just joining, I'm writing a video script so I can kind of show you here. We've got the whole video here, um, and this is just probably like 10 minutes worth of clips. But then what I really want to do is actually build out a video uh, a video script for the talking head component, and I'm gonna kind of be filling in um, different different pieces as I kind of writing the whole narrative and what I would want the viewers to be getting from it. So that's where we're at right now. We're just kind of patching it in, and then hopefully by the end of today, I'll have a recording, and tomorrow we can actually start editing the content. So putting the whole video together. Um, let's go ahead and actually. Oh, oops. That's one downside with the new keyboard is the things are the control and command keys are switched, so you can't use them as effectively as you should be able to. Let's do. So the other class I want to highlight is what's it called? What's it called? The other class that I want to highlight is extra classes. How am I totally blanking on marketing? Tip number 3 is going to be the third piece of advice would be the first benefit is going to be that gives you a real impact you can show off to employers. And the second thing is, um, what's the second benefit of doing it is that, oh, they give you the content. They Okay, cool. So we've got that marketing, and we're almost done with the script. And then we can start figuring out where the clips are going to go in the timeline. So this is going to be tip 4. So the layout for preparing for I'll say, Excellence Award is a game changer. Marketing proposal for a cool ethical leadership, Excellence Award, game changer. right, so we're almost done with the script. Promote previous videos. Then let's say cool. So that's where we can tie in a promotion to our other video, which I've heard is really helpful for creating like binge sessions, is kind of the term. Let's see. What else? Capstone. Say. All right. Thanks everyone for joining. So I'll kind of give some context for those that just joined. So writing the video script. What we already have on the timeline is just like a lot of random clips. This one, throughout like my whole journey on this video, and so what we're trying to do is write the script around these clips so that hopefully tomorrow I'll have everything recorded and we can start actually showcasing what we're doing, which is or what we're trying to do, which is learn Davinci Resolve as fast as possible by just diving in and making some cool stuff. So should be wrapping up at least the script portion soon, and then we can get on to filming. Actually, no, that's even better. Do first 3 classes. Um, okay, here we go. So, okay, we've almost got a full script. I've got all these things as reference if I need them. Got a lot of stuff. But this is basically everything that what I want to do is turn it into a Reddit post as well, because I think what I want to test as a theory is that I think using Reddit to promote your videos is like an underrated strategy. But Michael Reeves got 5 million views on his first video because he did that. So, um, yeah, let's go ahead and finish this show opening. Show opening awards and cool. Method for easy writing. So I think we're almost at a point. Method for easy writing. Right, and that's the loop. Is there's this assignment. It's the first one that has scholarly articles you have to do, and then escalate again. There's this method that I have for writing these things, and then drop it back. So let's think real quick. Um, let's just think about so first we need to film the full talking head script. I want to showcase actually need to keep importing phone videos. Yep. So let's see. And I think that's actually close to. He's making noise. So let's think about this. I need the full script. I need to showcase. Right, showcase the essay method. What are the other pieces of advice that I have? Oh, you know what? It was in Obsidian, wasn't it? Let's see. Let's see. Okay, yeah, I don't know. Well, whatever. We've got it anyways. So When am I going to showcase? The advice for pretest. That would be the only last thing that I need. Data-driven decision making. Use the resources and the Okay, yep. So we got that. And then let's see, for economics, this is close to the end. Economics, let's see, that course. Probably the hardest class. That's so that's, let's see, we got our intro and all of those things I can afford to write it because I've written all of it out up here. So 9 pages, which kind of sucks, but um, all right. So import phone videos, talking head script, showcase essay method. And I think that'll be a great starting point for editing tomorrow. So with that, because MBA, we'll save this project. And I think we'll end it there. So I kind of went through the whole script writing thing today, showcase a little bit of Resolve. So if you're interested in learning how to video edit with me, tune in tomorrow, same time on the live stream. I'll be here. Thanks for watching.